Hello students, let us try to continue with the topic we started in the previous video. Students, the topic is all about letter and letter writings. Okay. In the first part of it, I told you about what letters are and what are their different kinds. Okay, clear? So let's have a recap of it and then we'll see or write some examples related to letter writing. Okay, students, letters a letter is an important form of written communication and has been in use since ages. Okay, though modern communication technology has provided us with numerous faster and cheaper means of communication, yet a letter holds its importance and superiority over them in a number of ways. Okay, and this is what we have discussed earlier in our first video. Okay, if we talk about the kinds of letter, so there are two kinds of letter: formal letters and informal letters. Okay, okay, informal letters are meant for close friends and relatives. Okay, and these letters are not in your syllabus. Since the CBSE curriculum contains formal letters, we will discuss the same in this chapter. Okay, the following types of letters are prescribed in your syllabus. That is business letter, in which we study or we write, we draft placing of orders, placing orders. Okay, cancelling orders, reminders, making complaints, making inquiry. Okay, clear? Thereafter, I told you replying to inquiries. Okay, then even official letters. Okay, letters of complaints, making certain inquiries, to make requests or appeals है ना. Third type is letter to the editor. Okay, in which we sometimes raise an issue or express our concern on some matter. Okay, and sometimes we give opinion of an issue discussed in some articles or feature. Okay, then I told you the type of letter, that is applications. There are two kinds of applications: job application and application to the principal. Okay, then I even told you how to write an effective formal letter. Okay, clear? Thereafter, the format of a formal letter was discussed. Okay, a formal letter usually contains the following essential points. First one, at first we have to write a sender's address, that is written at the top left hand corner of your letter. Okay, usually it is written in 3 lines, or uh, I must say it is written in 2 lines. Okay, 2047 Lord Shiva Temple. Okay, in line first, house number, landmark. Line second contains name of colony and sector, and line third contains name of city. Thereafter, sender's address. In even I told you, sender's address does not contain sender's name, तो ये मत लिखना कभी. Okay, the comma and full stop at the end of the line is omitted. There should be no comma, no full stop at the end of the line. Then we write date and the format of date that are applicable for writing a letter. Okay, I have been written here, you can see. Okay, then receiver's address. Okay, that should be in 3 line. Okay, clear? Then subjects. Okay, it is written below the receiver's address, leaving 1 line in between. Okay, then I told you other things. Number fifth, that is salutation, in which we write sir or dear sir. When you see the recipients are in plural, so we would write sirs or dear sirs. Okay, then body, that is called content of the letter. Okay, clear? And it should be written strictly around the subject. Okay, there is no scope for informal treatment like hi, hello, how are you. Okay, such colloquial expressions are not written in body of the letter. Okay, brevity and formal treatment is required. Okay, longer content should be judicious and divided in 3 paragraphs. Okay, okay, Thereafter number seventh is complimentary clause. Following complimentary clause are suggested, जैसे yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely, and then signature, thereafter name, and then you have to tell the designation of the writer of the sender. Okay. Thereafter we discussed about the format of formal letter. Okay, this is a format beta in which you have to write sender's address, then leaving a line you have to write date of issue. Okay, then in 3 line receiver's address, thereafter salutation, then subject can be placed before salutation as you wish, and then content or complimentary clause in which we write yours truly. Okay, and the name. Okay, designation. Okay, clear. Now let us proceed. Then I told you about useful expressions to be used in while in the beginning of a letter. Okay, these are the lines with which you can even begin your letter. You can pause the video and go through them, or I suggest you to watch the first video in which I have told you each and everything at large in a detail. Okay, clear? Then thereafter I told you about the complementary clause and all that. Okay, students, let us begin today's lesson with the maximum marks that have been allotted for writing letter are 6 marks. Okay, clear. And the distribution of marks is like this. You will be given 1 mark for using good format, 1 mark. For content you will be given 2 marks. Expression you will be given 3 marks. Okay, here accuracy of grammar would be judged. Okay, you will be penalized of using English grammar wrongly. Okay, means there should be no grammatical error while writing the content. Okay, word limit has been fixed 120 words to 150 words. Okay, students. Examples. So now I am telling you how to write letters. First of all, we will discuss business letters and official letters. Okay, the first kind of these letters is making inquiry or asking for information. How would you get information of particular thing? Okay, how would you start writing of that thing? Okay, कैसे आप लिखेंगे, कैसे आप उसको पूछेंगे? Okay, that is a crucial question. That is something that you need to learn. Okay, students. Yes. First of all, you need to study the statement carefully, because uh, in a statement you may find why or what to write in the letter, in the content. Okay, so let us read. You are Amrita or Amit. So who are you, Amrita or Amit? Okay, you have just given your CBSE class examination, CBSE class 12th examination, and now wish to learn French while awaiting the results. Okay, you are awaiting for your results. Okay, and with that you want to, and before you get the result you want to pursue a course French. You want to learn French language. Okay, write a letter to the director, Center for Quick Learning, Pusa Road, New Delhi, asking for information regarding the classes. And this is what you have to write. You have to get information regarding the classes, the course that this institute, Center for Quick Learning Institute, provides you. Okay, clear? So how would you start this? This is a big question. So let's write. So first of all, what is this? You can see this is sender's address. C168 Janakpuri. Sender's address means it is your address, although it is not given in your statement. So you can write examination hall, but students, as you have passed 12th examination, so you can even write imaginary address here. So C168 Janakpuri, New Delhi, 20th April 2020. Okay, the director, center for quick learning. Okay, you can see C is capital. Okay, Q is capital, learning L capital. Okay, Pusa Road, New Delhi. You can even write New Delhi here. Okay, subject, information regarding French course, or you can write to seek information. Okay, to seek information regarding French language, French course. Okay, sir, students, there should be no comma. Okay, there should be no comma, means no comma should be used after sir. Okay, कोई punctuation marks यहाँ पर नहीं लगाना है. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India dated dated 15th April 2020 regarding 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 the beginners course uh, in spoken or written French. Okay, I wish to inquire about the same currently. Okay, yeah, this is called the declaration of your topic. How you declare means why you are writing this letter. This is clear. This is cleared by it. Okay, currently, I am awaiting the CBSE class 12th result, and I want to use this time to the best of my ability as French. Okay, so you have here explained the purpose why you want to pursue this course. As French is a popular language which is also being used by many international companies, learning French will immensely beneficial to me. Okay, means your motto is quite clear why you want to learn French. Hence, please send me information regarding eligibility of the course, duration and timing, date of commencement, fees and mode of payment, and transformation facility, if any. Means these are the points that you need to know through this letter. Okay, please send me all the above mentioned information at the earliest, along with a detailed prospectus if available. Okay, clear? And then yours sincerely, Amit or Amrita Sen. Here you can write thanking you, yours sincerely, or you can write looking forward to having a prompt reply from your end soon. Okay, such lines can be written here. Okay, students, let's go through another letter. Upkar Industries Panipat are wholesale dealers of steel furnitures. Write a letter to them asking for quotation of prices. Also seek information about commission allowed on each items. Another inquiry letter. Here you need to know the quotation of prices. Okay, so this is a challenge how you will write the letter. Okay, I have already written it for you so that I can save your time. Okay, so here what is this? This is called your sender's address, your address only. Garg Steel Works, 31 R New Colony, Gurugram, 14th May 2020. The proprietor, okay, this is sender's receiver's address. The proprietor, Messrs Upkar Industries, Kunj Vihar, Panipat. Okay, subject, quotation of prices. Students, while writing subject, you need to keep it in your mind that your subject should not be in two lines. It should be written only in a line. Okay, not more than 4 or 5 words. Okay, sir, uh, we are one of the biggest retailers of steel furniture with a large turnover than with a larger turnover than most businesses in India. Okay, we wish to inquire about your new designs and collections of latest steel furniture. Okay, here this is called declaration. This is called the opening lines of your letter, in which you have clearly mentioned what you want to inquire and all that. Please send us a complete list of all the items along with their prices. Okay. We also want to know about the terms of commission that offer you will offer for each of the items. We are confident that we can promote and sell your products at the best prices. Okay, being a retailer, you have to promise, you have to gain their confidence. Why they should send you the items? क्यों भेजें वो? You have to convince them while writing. Okay. And now the final para in which you have to appeal. We also wish to ask if you offer any discount on bulk orders. Okay, we would appreciate it if we could fix a meeting to finalize all terms and conditions of the trade. Okay, clear cut instructions हैं. Okay, and now yours sincerely, SK Garg, SL Garg, proprietor. I think students, I have deliberately written all these uh, letters in very simple, in using simple words and simple expressions, so that you can learn them in a better way. Okay, clear? Okay, students. Let us read other another letter. Yes, the third type of a business letter is placing order. Okay, how here I would tell you how to write, how to place an order. You are Manoj Kumar, the proprietor of an electrical and electronic goods shop in Delhi. Write a letter to the wholesale dealer of electrical एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड्स प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर फॉर फ्यू गुड्स, कुछ चीज़ों का ऑर्डर करते हो आपको लिखना है. ओके, आस्क द यूजुअल डिस्काउंट एंड कैटलॉग ऑफ द गुड्स अवेलेबल. ओके, यू हैव टू आस्क these things also. So first of all, your address will be written Messrs Saral Electronics, Harinagar, New Delhi. Then date 15 March 2020. The sales manager, Gupta Electronics, 57 Nehru Place, New Delhi. Okay, even you can write New Delhi here. Subject: order for supply of electrical items. This is with reference to your catalog dated 10th March 2020. We would like to place an order for certain electrical items mentioned below. Okay, clear? And now you have to make a table. Name of the items: fans, number of items 40, brand Bajaj, microwaves 20, LG, bulb or LED 100, Philips, geysers 100 items and should be of Pearl company, mixer grinder, okay, of 10 items and of Bajaj company. Okay, kindly send these items before 29th March. Okay, it is your deadline, and ensure that the items are in proper working condition and are well packaged before they are delivered. ये बात आपकी condition है. Okay, clear? We also wish to avail the 10% discount that you offer on all bulk orders. We are sending a demand draft of rupees 20,000 as advance payment. The balance amount will be paid after receiving the order. Okay, clear? And yours sincerely, Manoj. Sign, Manoj Kumar name and designation proprietor. Enclosed demand draft for rupees 20,000. Okay. So students, let's move to the next type of letter, that is okay, number 4, that is cancellation of order. Cancellation of order. Okay, students, uh, we will just cancel this order, okay, of the items that we have asked them to send. Okay, so let me write the statement for you first. Okay, you are Manoj Kumar, proprietor of Saral Electronics, New Delhi. You had placed an order with Messrs Gupta Electronics, Nehru Place, New Delhi, for electronic items, for some electronic items.